You may have never encountered a non-profit organization that serves humanity across 63 diverse sectors from birth to death. This non-profit fully embraces the challenges faced by humanity, with its Dasarkhan offering free meals and expanded services to millions of beneficiaries. Its graduates have either pursued opportunities abroad or are earning thousands of dollars every month through freelancing in their home country. The credit for transforming charitable work from meal service to IT education goes to Maulana Bashir Farooq, an ordinary individual who, with the support of his team, achieved all this with the blessings of Allah. He established this charity 25 years ago based on his Islamic beliefs. Sailani Trust has invested a total of 60 billion rupees over the past years, with 13 billion rupees allocated solely in the last year to serve humanity across 63 sectors. Sailani's RO plants produce 25 million glasses of clean drinking water for water-starved communities. It provides financial assistance to 700 underprivileged families, enabling them to arrange marriages for their daughters. Sailani offers high-quality courses in the IT sector covering topics such as Metaverse, Web3, Artificial Intelligence, and UI and UX designing. The organization has collaborated with the President of Pakistan and the Sindh Governor to introduce large-scale IT learning programs. The Sailani team attends IT events worldwide to introduce the vast talent available in Pakistan. Maulana Bashir Farooq is committed to providing higher and technical education to over 1 million people, who are expected to lead an IT revolution in Pakistan and boost the country's annual foreign exchange earnings by $100 billion over the next several years.
इंशाल्लाह हम पाकिस्तान आकर उतारेंगे, हमारे बच्चे इंशाल्लाह ताला हर साल $100 बिलियन कमा के देंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला।
इस तरीके से हज़रत बशीर फारूकी का ख्वाब था मुल्क में हज़ारों लाखों बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स लाने का, उसमें थोड़ा सा, बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा मेरा भी हिस्सा है। आज पाकिस्तान नहीं, टर्की में मैंने अपनी कंपनी खोली और मेरा सालाना 4 से 5 लाख डॉलर्स का तकरीबन टर्नओवर है जो कि पाकिस्तान आते हैं।
और ये ऐसा टाइम था कि जब हमारे पास इंटरनेट के 1500 रुपए देने के भी पैसे नहीं थे, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज जिस गाड़ी में मैं आया हूँ दैट कॉस्ट अराउंड 60 to 70 lakh rupees.
मैंने सुना है तुम्हारी मंथली अभी लास्ट इनकम आपने जनरेट की है वो कोई लाख, 1.5 लाख, 2 लाख के कितने है वो
2 लाख।
2 लाख
जी।
ये आपने अकेले खुद फाइवर से की है?
फाइवर और टीचिंग भी मैं करता हूँ उससे।
हज़रत साहब ने कहा कि ठीक है, कोई ऐसा प्लान किया जाए कि जिससे ये लैपटॉप्स तो तकसीम हो लेकिन हमारे बच्चे का जो हुनर है वो भी सामने आए। तो उस सिलसिले में जैसे मैराथन होता है ऐसे ही डेवाथन, हमने ये अपना नाम तजवीज़ खुद किया और डेवाथन, सैलानी डेवाथन सुमिट 1.0, इंशाल्लाह उसके बाद 2.0, उसके बाद 3.0 आने वाले दिनों में।
Sailani assists unskilled and illiterate individuals in achieving financial independence through vocational training programs. Many of Sailani's initiatives focus on empowering women. Sailani Welfare has established Al Mohsin Sweet Home in Karachi for orphans deprived of parents, where they are nurtured with the same love and care as their own parents. Additionally, other facilities are also being provided. While the Green Time education system offers world-class formal education to children from marginalized communities, the Sailani spent approximately $7 million to provide livelihood opportunities and food rations to needy families during Ramadan this year. The Sailani Welfare International Trust collaborated with Darul Uloom Memon to organize the second National Islamic Economic Forum Conference. In his keynote speech, Sailani's founder and chairman, also the forum's convener Maulana Bashir Farooq Qadri, reiterated his commitment to eradicating interest-based banking in Pakistan as soon as possible. Sailani's charitable efforts in the healthcare sector for deserving patients have been unparalleled. We offer healthcare services to 1.5 million patients annually. Sailani operates specialized facilities to support the health of mothers and their newborns. A dedicated blood bank-supported treatment center caters to children with thalassemia, providing blood transfusions, clinical lab tests, and medications to 650 children every month. Furthermore, Sailani supports approximately 20,000 impoverished families by meeting all their basic needs. We urge you to come forward and support Sailani in achieving its goal of spending 16 billion solely on charitable endeavors this year.